today we're making a cake. And we're inspired by the book
Happy Birthday, Mallory.
And the author is Lauren Friedman. And in this book she's talking about different things about her birth month. And here's one reason: by eating all the junk food she wants and watching as long as she like of TV. So right now we're gonna start making the cake.
Let's get.
So he's pouring in a cup of butter right now.
Yes. Let's get started.
It's not working now.
Okay, Mom. And a half a cup of sugar. Let's get started.
Don't sing. We're doing the eggs right now, and you have to. And we're only allowed to get the egg white, so we have to do this. We're trying to get all the egg whites, none of the yellow part.
Can you explain why you crack it on the counter?
Because when I was baking, one of a professional baker said that you should always crack it on a flat surface. So that's why I've always cracked my eggs on flat. This is our softened butter. So this is gonna have to sit until it gets softened. And then this cup is gonna be for something else that you'll wait and see. And this is our egg yolks. Adding 2 teaspoons of almond extract. So 2 cups.
Let's get started.
Flour, like cake powder for like flour. So kind of like flour cake powder, I don't care. And so right now we're adding 4 tablespoons of baking powder.
Wait, do I do?
Yeah.
Great.
Don't let it smell it.
How many tablespoons? 4.
And then I'll do this. So there's 4 tablespoons of baking powder.
Okay, we gotta mix it up probably.
And we're done. So put the cameras off. We finished our cake of the week.
Let's